At all. Dealing with a little fog out there this morning. As you take a look here, we do have fog advisories posted for areas to our south and to our east. Those fog advisories out through the early morning hours, and then we'll start to burn this fog off after sunrise. Let's talk about where we are right now. We're seeing some spotty showers right now on the satellite and radar here. Those showers really just to the north of us, starting to move into Peru. As we take a closer look here, you can see this is not a heavy downpour, just some very light showers that will move through rather swiftly. Most of us not seeing the spotty showers this morning, but definitely seeing the cloud cover and just a little fog out there throughout the area. Just be aware as you're driving out this morning that you may encounter just a little bit. Temperatures right now, we're at 69 degrees for Indianapolis. You're at 68 for Bloomington. 70 for Muncie. So it is a very nice start for us. It's pretty normal throughout the day. Speaking of normal, we're right there at the normal range. We should be at 85 at this point, and we're at 85 by afternoon. We start off this morning with areas of Allegate at 72 by the noon hour. I think we're partly cloudy. We could spark up a shower or thunderstorm at that point, but I think our best chance is after the 2 p.m. hour, and then the system begins to move off tonight, leaving behind cooler air, partly cloudy skies, as well as temperatures will fall to the 60s.